One thing you definitely want to work in today is your workout. So here's a suggestion for this new move Monday with Studio 5 health and fitness contributor Melanie Douglass.
Hi everyone, I'm Melanie and it's time for New Move Monday. So today I'm holding a weighted bar, but you can do this with a broomstick or a mop or whatever. You need a long lever. This move is gonna work your biceps and your shoulders a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold this broom, mop, weighted bar, whatever, and I'm gonna hold it so it's parallel with the floor, my elbows bent to 90 degrees. You're gonna squeeze your bicep right here nice and tight. You're gonna hold it. You're gonna rotate that bar 180 degrees like this. Turn, 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 and hold. See that? And I turn, 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 and hold. So I call these bicep flips because you're flipping this bar or this object, and while you do that, you're squeezing your biceps and it's holding and supporting that movement. So this is a stabilization exercise, but it really is gonna target your arms. You're gonna feel it, and you're gonna be like, thank you, Melanie, for teaching me a bicep flip. So that's your new move challenge. Give it a shot, try 8 reps on each arm, and let me know how it goes. #NewMoveMonday.